What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about the TORO FlexForce 60V blower. Before we get started in the video, I wanted to quickly mention this video is sponsored by the TORO company. TORO, thank you so much for sending this blower out for review. Today we're going to be looking at my first initial thoughts and some actual action footage of this blower going. Then we're going to come back in the fall and do some footage of it blowing leaves. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So this here is the blower from the FlexForce line at TORO. It's an absolutely awesome blower. I just wanted to walk you over a couple of the features that were one of my favorites real fast because it is pretty cool. As you can see right here, this is the trigger. Sorry, as the car goes by, listen as it gauges. Watch as I push this button. This button right here actually revs up the power of the engine as you push it. You can even lock down this. As weird as it sounds, this handle right here is like a weird place to grab it, but it's great. And as you take the battery off, look at that, a handle. Let me demonstrate that real fast. So what are my first initial thoughts on the blower? I absolutely love it. It absolutely replaces my gas handheld blower because it's so quick, so fast. You just grab it, hit the trigger, and you're already blowing something off. It's super lightweight, like I'm holding it with one hand, a couple fingers, so super easy to carry, makes it super duper easy to use, and much happier and easier on the user. One more quick point I wanted to make. This blower here, the TORO 60V blower, comes in at a price point of $199 and blows at a speed of 115 miles an hour with a total CFM of 605. This one comes in at a price of $110 with a speed of 170 miles an hour and 441 CFM. Meaning that this blower here, the TORO 60V blower, has a better air volume velocity at the tube than that Hitachi does. So you're actually not paying any more price-wise for this blower than you would a gas hand blower. This one, you have to worry about mixing up fuel, and like there's a fuel line that's broken on this one, and you gotta rip at the cord. This one, you just turn, and it goes. And that's the nicest thing about this, is probably that turbo force button. You just being able to push that and take off and go with this blower. So why do I like the 60V blower so much? Because the 60V battery, those FlexForce batteries, are actually interchangeable between all of TORO's tools. So if you have the chainsaw, the mower, the blower, the weed whacker, the snow blower, if you have any of those, you can just swap the batteries out and use them and go all across. It's a great cross-platform tool, and if you don't have a huge lawn and don't need a lot of gas sitting around, because gas during the winter is no good. You can't have any sitting around. It's completely useless unless you have a snow blower, because that ethanol in the gas turns to water, completely sits around and is useless. So I think that's one of the best things about this blower. And there's really nothing else to say about it. It's extremely great. I actually wanted to turn it over to a couple of my guys who had a couple little things to say about it as they use it more on some manicured lawns, kind of blowing off clippings. I just kind of wanted to get their opinion and see what they think of it. Let's do that. All right guys, I am here with my brother Ryan, and he helps me out by taking care of a couple lawns we have to mow. He do a couple for me. He uses the TORO blower just because it's easier for him to use and less gas to have to work around. So why don't you just go ahead and tell everybody what you think of it?
I like it because you can use it on small backyards.
And does it have enough power, or is it underpowered, too much power? What do you think about that?
I think it's just the right amount.
Good. And then how about like that, do you use that blue button on the top or no?
No.
No, okay, so yeah, so even when you're just blowing grass clippings, it's nice and easy to use. So I appreciate your opinion, and other than that, guys, that's really all I have for this video. I just wanted to give a couple opinions. This is just my honest thoughts on the blower. Haven't done the review on it. This is just first initial thoughts, couple things we noticed, and honestly, it's a great unit for all the things I said in this video. So if you have any questions, you want to know anything about the blower or have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. If I don't have an answer, I can get you an answer. So if you have any other questions, leave them down below. We'll put together a frequently asked questions or something like that. So leave me a comment down below. Give me some ideas what other things you want to see the 60 volt blower blow, and I'll put together a little compilation or something like that, some b-roll of it blowing the things you guys ask. So I think that'd be pretty cool. If you have any suggestions other than grass, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll get that done for you guys. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you. If you have any other questions, leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Mason Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.